Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Congratulations, my Titi. You know, it's indeed wonderful to have children who always make you proud. Zimbabwean comedian and businesswoman Mai Titi is always bragging about the success of her children. Right now, she's super proud of her daughter Titi, who is very gifted academically. Wakamboita stress yemwana anogona zviri extraordinary. Every year is promotion after promotion. Last year she was the youngest senior prefect at Form 3. She posted. She has been winning awards and has held several positions at school. Just the beginning of this year, 2026, she has been made a prefect and head of culture, meaning she is in charge of event planning, coordinating and organizing special events that take place at the school. Congratulations, Amaititi, again for having a daughter who continues to uplift your soul, especially after all that you went through in the past years. Yesterday, my eldest daughter went to her interview yekuenda ku cruise and she passed. Dear Lord, I thank you for my children. I thank you for the intelligence and wisdom you gave them, she added. Isn't that amazing? For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstake Media and don't hesitate to leave your comments.